Hi guys, my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make easy paper spider and spider web. So let's start. To make a spider web, take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally like this and crease it. Then open it and fold it in half like this and crease. And fold it in half once more and crease that as well. Now on this crease right here, we need to fold it diagonally and crease. Now you can see the right side is completely closed and the left side there are 3 folds, 1, 2 and 3. We need to make a line from this point to the center of this line. Make parallel lines on both sides of this line, leaving a little bit of space. Now make an even number of curves like this. I made 10 such curves. Now I'm shading the part which we need to keep and the rest will cut. Now cut on the unshaded part. After cutting it looks like this. Now let's open it up. See, the spider web is ready. To make a spider, we need 12 circles. Fold all the circles in half and crease them. Then glue the circles like this. Now glue these two ends together like this. Now the body is ready. Let's make the eyes. For this, draw 2 circles and make eyes like this. Now color the whole circle, leaving this part and these smaller circles white. Trace these lines. Now cut these circles. Now glue the eyes on the body. Now let's make the legs. For this, cut 8 strips and fold 4 strips like this. And the other 4 like this. Now let's glue the legs on the body. Leave one circle after the eyes on both sides, and we need to glue behind the next circle. And the spider is ready. Now flatten the spider on the back and glue it on the spider web. If you'd like, you can stick it on a wall using double-sided tape. I hope you like this Halloween craft. Thank you.